Translation of sine and cosine function. Phase shift. Phase shift of sine and cosine function. Y is equal to a sine, b the quantity of theta minus h, the quantity plus k, and y equals to a cos, b the quantity of h, theta minus h plus k. The horizontal shift is h. If h greater than to 0, the shift is not the right. If h less than, the shift is to the left. The shift example. State the phase shift for each function, then graph a function. A. Y equals to sine 2 theta plus pi. B. Y equals cos theta minus pi. So, this is the example A. A. Y equals to sine 2 theta plus pi. The shift of the function is negative c over k or negative pi over 2. The graph y equals sine 2 theta plus pi. Consider the graph of y equals sine 2 theta. The graph this function and then shift the graph negative pi over 2. So this is the phase of the graph. Next, y equals cos theta minus pi. The phase shift of the function is negative c over k or negative pi over 1, which equals to pi. The graph of y equals cos theta minus pi. Consider the graph of y equals cos theta and then shift the graph pi. So this is the phase of the graph. Vertical shift. Vertical shift of sine and cosine function. Y is equals to sine b the quantity of theta minus h plus k and y equals b the quantity of theta minus h plus k. The midline is y equals to k. If k is greater than to 0, the shift is upward. If the k is less than to 0, the shift is downward. Vertical shift example. State the vertical shift and the equation of the midline for the function y equals 3 cos theta plus 4. The graph the function. The vertical shift is 4 units upward. The midline is the graph y equals to 4. The graph the function. Draw the middle. The graph of y equals to 4 since the amplitude of the function is 3. Draw these dashed lines parallel to the midline, which are 3 units above and below the midline, then draw the cosine curve. So this is the face of the graph. Write equation example. Write an equation of a sine function with amplitude 5 period, amplitude 5, period 3 pi, phase shift pi over 2 and vertical shift 2. The form of the equation will be y is equal to a sine k theta plus c plus h. Find the values of a, k, c, and h. A is equal to 5 or negative 5. K is 2 phi over k equals to 3 phi or 2 over 3. C negative c over k is equal to positive pi over 2. Negative c over 2 over 3 is equal to pi over 2. C is equal to negative pi over 3. And h is equal to 2. Substitute the values in h is equal to 2. Substitute this value into the general equation. The possible equations y is equal to 5 sine the quantity of 2 over 3 theta minus pi over 3 plus 2 or y is equal to negative pi sine the quantity of 2 over 3 theta minus pi over 3 plus 2. Graph compound. Compound function may consist the sums of products of trigonometric functions or the other functions. For example, y is equal to sine x times cos x product of trigonometric functions. Y is equal to cos x plus x, sum of trigonometric function, a linear function. Graphing example. Graph y is equal to x plus sine x. The first graph y is equal to x and y is equal to sine x of the same axis, then the add corresponding ordinates of the functions. Finally, sketch the graph. So, this is the face of our graph. Thank you for listening and